Good morning students, welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping well by the blessing of God. So students, today I am going to teach you English literature from your English reader book, and I hope most of the students you are having book with you. So you open page number 109, chapter number 13, a drama, and the title of the drama is The Chocolate Cream Soldier, written by George Bernard Shaw. So students, you open the notebook, you write the title of the play first, then you write the author or the playwright, G.B. Shaw. In short, you write G, capital G, capital B, Shaw, capital S, then H-A-W, G.B. Shaw. G.B. Shaw, he was born in Ireland in the year, note down, July 26, 1856. He was an Irish playwright, and he was one of the most versatile and renowned dramatists or playwright in the field of English literature. So he was born in July 26, 1856 in Ireland, and he died in November 2, 1950. So guys, this is an act from the original play Arms and the Man, and it is abridged, that means revised manner it has been presented before you. So only in this act we find these characters. So guys, you note down the characters. Raina, the heroine of the play, R-A-I-N-A, Raina, a small hyphen. What is her identity in the play? Her identity is a beautiful young lady. Then Catherine, C-A-T-H-E-R-I-N-E, small hyphen, Raina's mother. Luca, L for lotus, Luca, L-O-U-K-A, a maid, M-A-I-D, maid. The man, within bracket, a fugitive, within bracket, F-U-G-I-T-I-V-E, a fugitive, bracket close. The meaning of fugitive means a person who has fled or who has escaped from prison, or who has escaped from crowd, jail, or he is fleeing here and there, known as fugitive. And one more character, that is supporting character, the officer. So these are the characters we do find in the play, and the title of the play is The Chocolate Cream Soldier, and the original play or drama is Arms and the Man by G.B. Shaw, George Bernard Shaw. So guys, the play opens with the scene, Raina, her bedroom, and she is standing in her balcony. It is night, and she is enjoying the night and star-studded sky, and she is looking above, and she is all alone there, standing in the balcony. And now someone is knocking at the door of her bedchamber. Raina's mother, Catherine, she enters. She was quite excited and quite happy because she has fetched a good news for her daughter that the Bulgarian troop is triumphant over the Serbian troop.